Now let's start with the next problem. In the special theory of relativity, consider a Lorentz boost by a velocity v along the x direction. If u equals to ct plus x, then the boosted value u dash equals to ct dash plus x dash is. And there are 4 options which are given. And this question was asked in JNU 2010. So here we have been given u dash equals to ct dash plus x dash. So we will substitute the value of t dash and x dash. So see, t dash की value हम लोगों को पता है, t dash it is t minus vx upon c square upon root of 1 minus v square by c square, and we know the value of x dash it is given by x minus vt upon root of 1 minus v square by c square. So when you are solving relativistic problems, it is very necessary that you should remember all these formulas. So then I have just simply solve the bracket. So c into t, that is ct, c into x, that is c into t, that is ct, and one c will get cancelled, and you will get v by c into x. Then this x I have written over here, and minus vt, okay, upon root of 1 minus v square by c square, because it is common, okay. Or so we will get ct plus x minus v by c, कॉमन लिया, सो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट इट विल बी x प्लस सी टी. c कॉमन लिया, सो c से मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा दैट वे अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर बाई सी स्क्वायर. सो सी टी प्लस एक्स इट इज नथिंग बट u माइनस v बाई c, x प्लस सी टी, अगेन आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट u अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर बाई सी स्क्वायर. सो यू कैन आई कैन टेक u कॉमन, सो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट आई विल गेट u इंटू 1 माइनस v बाई c अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस v स्क्वायर बाई सी स्क्वायर. So I know that root of a square minus b square, it is a minus b plus a plus b. So वही root of 1 minus v square by c square को मैंने 2 इसमें लिखा है, root of 1 minus v by c into root of 1 plus v by c. So 1 minus v by c root और ये cancel हो जाएगा. So I will just be left with root of 1 minus v by c upon root of 1 plus v by c. So here I will get u into root of 1 minus v by c upon 1 plus v by c. Square root मैंने common लिख दिया. So this is what the answer is. Next numerical, a beam of light moves in a slab of glass of refractive index n in the positive x direction. The slab itself is also moving in the positive x direction with a speed v in the laboratory frame. What is the speed of the beam of light as measured in the laboratory frame? And these are the 4 options which are given. This question was asked in JNU 2011. So velocity of light in glass slab, it is given by vx dash equals to vx plus v upon 1 plus vvx upon c square. ठीक है. So हम लोगों का फॉर्मूला था vx dash it is equals to u plus v upon 1 plus uv by c square. So here u it is nothing but vx you can say, and v is v. That way I have substituted same formula I have used, but u and v I have replaced with vx and v. ठीक है. So we know that refractive index का definition हम लोगों को पता है. Refractive index n it is c upon vx. So we will have vx equals to c by n. So यहाँ पे vx की जगह पे we will substitute c by n. So what you will get, vx dash it is equals to c by n plus v upon 1 plus v into c by n upon c square. So इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो c plus nv upon n, और इसको भी करेंगे तो c square plus vc by n upon c square. I can write this term upward by changing the numerator to denominator and all. So I will get c plus nv upon n into, I can write this as reciprocal of this, c square upon nc square plus vc by n. मैंने n से इसको मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दिया, nc square plus vc whole thing upon n. That is how I have written this. So I am getting c plus nv upon n into nc square upon nc square plus vc. So I can take c common from here. So I am getting c plus nv into c upon nc plus v. So vx dash it is multiply कर दूंगी तो c into c square plus nvc upon cn plus v, which is nothing but the required answer. Next question. In a long cylinder, a liquid of refractive index n is moving with a speed v. What will be the speed of light moving in this liquid in the direction of motion of liquid when measured by an observer at rest in the laboratory? C is the speed of light in vacuum. And these are the 4 options which are given. This question was asked in JNU 2016. So just understand the pattern. Today we are learning most of the numericals which are based on calculation of velocity and where refractive index is involved. So you should know the formula for refractive index n, that is n equals to c upon vx, and the formula for velocity, that is vx dash equals to u plus v upon 1 plus uv by c square. So these two formulas are important. Now we know that vx dash equals to vx plus v upon 1 plus vvx upon c square. vx की वैल्यू हम लोग c by n सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, so we will get c by n plus v upon 1 plus c by n into v upon c square, and so we are getting cn plus v upon 1 plus v upon nc. एक c cancel हो गया. So this is the same kind of thing which we have done in the earlier numerical. So earlier numerical only they have asked, but in a different format where only smaller calculations were required. So if you understand the question, you will be able to solve it. Now next is, a light beam is propagating through a block of glass slab with index of refraction n. If the glass is moving at a constant velocity v in the same direction as the beam, the velocity of the light in the glass block as measured by an observer in the laboratory frame is approximately. Then there are 4 options which are given. This question was asked in JEST 2013. So here u is given, so we will use the formula u equals to c by n, because we have n equals to c by u. ये है रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का फॉर्मूला. रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला. सो उसी को हम लोगों ने u के फॉर्म में लिख दिया, u इक्वल्स टू c by n. ठीक है. सो दैट इज द आंसर. ओके. सो व्हेन व्हाट इज गिवन, if you will read the question carefully, you will understand. If the glass slab is moving at a constant velocity v in the same direction as the beam, the velocity of the light in the glass block as measured by an observer in the laboratory is approximately. So it is given by u equals to c by n. This is also we have already used in the earlier numerical. So the earlier numerical which we have taken, that is the second numerical which we have taken today, that is the basis of if you understand that numerical, then you will be able to solve such kind of numericals. Now next is, a light beam is propagating through a medium with index of refraction 1.5. If the medium is moving at constant velocity 0.7 c in the same direction as the beam, what is the velocity of the light in the medium as measured by an observer in the laboratory, where c is velocity of light in vacuum? 4 options are given. This question was asked in TIFR 2015. So we know that velocity of light in moving medium, it is given by this formula, vx dash equals to vx plus v upon 1 plus vvx upon c square. vx की वैल्यू हम लोग लिखेंगे c by n plus v upon 1 plus c by n into v upon c square. The index of refraction, it is given, that is 1.5 in the problem, and v is also given, that is 0.75 c. So you just have to substitute the value of n and v, substitute karo, solve it, and you will get vx dash equals to 0.93 c. So whatever problems we have learned today, most of the problems, they are based on the index of refraction and velocity calculations. Okay, thank you so much.